Hi, do you want to know how to use the new Facebook Messenger rooms? Then you're going to want to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon because we're going to be talking about that very shortly. Hi, my name's James Hannan and I'm with
Naomi Joy.
And we're from Rise Social Media, where we help you successfully market and sell your products online. Today we're talking about the Facebook Messenger rooms and how you can use them. They have just been released here in May 2020, and let me tell you, we're excited. As business owners, we highly recommend that every business owner get to know how to use these with the features that are a part of them. This will be a 3-part series. We may add some more in there as well. This will be a series of videos that we're going to take you through how to use Facebook Messenger rooms for yourself. But today we're talking about the benefits and the features of these rooms. And next we're going to be talking about how it works. So you'll be able to click that video in the description below or click the video that'll come after this one to go into that next part of the series. And then after that, we're going to show you how business owners can use Facebook Messenger rooms for business. Your mind is going to be blown.
Facebook's new group video feature is set to compete with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Skype. Facebook's users can create a video chat room through Facebook or through the Messenger app, and they can invite up to 50 people, which is amazing that you can have 50 people in these rooms at any time. And the great thing is that people don't even need to have a Facebook account to join in the meeting.
Now, there's no time limit on these Facebook groups, group rooms. Now, what does that mean? Well, if you have a Zoom account, Zoom has a time limit. This is the free Zoom account. Zoom has a time limit of 40 minutes. So you get to the end of that 40 minutes and you've got to stop your meeting. It is over. But with the Facebook groups, the Messenger groups, there is no time limit. Now think about that now if you're a marketer, a business owner, if you just want to have a jam session with your friends, you can do this now in Facebook Messenger rooms.
Another amazing feature about these Messenger rooms is they're displayed at the top of the Facebook feed, which is the prime real estate in the Facebook universe.
So if you've been a Zoom user, then you've gotten used to those virtual rooms or those virtual backgrounds where you can be in a jet fighter pilot, you can be going over the falls of Niagara, you can be in space if you want. You get those virtual backgrounds. Facebook have announced that, but at the time of this video recording, they are not available right now, but they are coming. We've just been using them ourselves, not the backgrounds, but the Facebook chat rooms, and we are loving them. Now, if you also have gotten used to in your video calls, your chat calls, or your stories you're putting together and even your live broadcasts of those filters you can put over your face and those little anagrams that you put around your body, all that sort of stuff, they're going to be in there as well. This isn't just going to be about work and all that sort of stuff. It's going to be about play inside of the Facebook Messenger group rooms as well. Now, it can be public, it can be private and restricted. You can choose who you're going to have in your room with you. You can make it public and have everyone on your Facebook profile come, or you can make it private and only select a few people. And then inside there is a nice little link that you can send out and that your guests can send out as well to invite other people. But of course, it will have all of the security features that you're used to with Facebook.
One of the other great features about these that I'm really excited about is that you can actually schedule a messenger room to take place. And so you can schedule that ahead of time, send out that invitation to people, and they can join you at the set time for that meeting. You can also remove people from the meeting. So if someone's joined, you can actually remove them if you don't want them. And then other people, once they've joined, then they can actually leave the meeting at any time as well.
And last but not least, of the ones that we know about right now that are available, you can actually share your screen and you can even change your camera. So for those of you that have got a great camera that you want to use for your video rather than use your normal laptop, you can choose the camera you want to use, you can choose the microphone you want to use, and you're going to have so much fun with Facebook Messenger groups. We hope you liked that video and give you a description of how to use Facebook Messenger rooms. We have another video coming that's going to show you how to use Facebook Messenger rooms for business and a few others after that. The opportunities we think are huge. So if you have liked this video, then make sure you like it, you subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you receive a notification every time we go live on Facebook. My name is James Hannan with
Naomi Joy.
We're from Rise Social Media, where we help you successfully market and sell your products online because your dreams are too important to allow to perish. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.